Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your YouTube 2025 recap to find your year in a video. So YouTube's personalized recap 2025 is here and it will give you a full breakdown of your viewing habits, top channels, deep dives, and even your unique viewer personality type. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find it and how you can share your personalized year-end summary. Now let's just open the YouTube application. So what you need to do here is just go to your profile. You can click on your photo in the bottom right corner. And here right under your name, you'll see the recap options. Your 2025 recap is here. Celebrate your year on YouTube. So get yours now. You can just click on this banner in here and you'll be directed to this page, your YouTube recap. You can just click on the screen to see next. As you guys can see, I explore many things, and here are my top interests. And I watch 102 channels this year, and these are my top channel. Okay, so I show many different types of me: tech savvy, creative, entertained. Okay, this side of you. So YouTube will give you what your personality type based on the video that you watch. There are so many types of them: the dreamer, serenity seeker, the challenger, and let's see what's mine. So mine is the creative spirit. As you guys can see, you'll see the share button, or you can also download it. If you click on the share button, you'll see these options right here. So you can share the image to Instagram, WhatsApp, or TikTok. Let's just see it later. Okay, so this is my personality. Okay, so in the mid 2025, I explored video editing and the late follow pop culture. And here is moments from my year. Okay, so these are basically my recap at the end: my personality type, my top interests, and also top channel. And again, if you want to share the result, you can just click on the share button. Oops. At the bottom of your recap. So let's try. Click on the share. Here again, you can choose which platform that you want to share your YouTube recap, whether it's Instagram, let's say Instagram stories. So it will go like this. You can just click on upload to share your YouTube recap to Instagram, or you can also download the image first if you want to. So guys, that's how you can find your YouTube recap. I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.